Come test drive the 2020 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, wheel covers, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified Program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.